Are you looking to add some custom JavaScript magic to your WordPress site but not quite sure where to start? Whether you want to enhance your site's features, add tracking codes, or create unique interactions, today I'll show you the safest and simplest way to add custom JavaScript using a plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it without touching any theme files or risking your changes vanishing during updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about why using a plugin is the method I recommend, especially if you're a beginner. Plugins designed for code snippets are not just safer, but also keep your code completely separate from your theme. That means you're protected if you ever decide to change your website's look, or if your theme gets an update. No more panicking about lost changes. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type something like WP Code or Simple Custom CSS and JS. These are both trusted and popular plugins for adding code snippets to your site. Once you see one of these plugins in the results, click Install and then hit Activate. This part is super important. Activating actually turns the plugin on. Now, after activation, you'll notice a new menu item in your dashboard sidebar labeled something like Code Snippets, or for Simple Custom CSS and JS, you might see Custom Codes. Go ahead and click into this new menu. Let's say you're using WP Code, you'll see an option like Plus Add Snippet. Click that to start setting things up. Here you'll get several choices, but for custom JavaScript, you want to select the option that allows you to enter your own code, and then be sure to set the code type to JavaScript snippet. Why is this step important? Setting the type tells the plugin how to handle your code and ensures it's loaded as JavaScript, so no weird formatting errors down the line. Now for the fun part, pasting in your custom JavaScript. The plugin's editor is where you drop your code, and here's a small but crucial detail. You do not need to include the usual script tags around your code. The plugin handles all the technical wrapping for you, so you're just providing the core JavaScript instructions. This keeps things cleaner and reduces the risk of accidental errors. Next, take a moment to look at the insertion settings. This is where you decide where your script should actually run on your site. Want it on every page, just the home page, or maybe only in the footer? Loading scripts in the footer is a good idea for performance because it allows your site's main content to load first, then your custom scripts can run in the background. Think of it like assembling a sandwich. You want the bread and fillings on the plate before you drizzle your special sauce on top. Once you have those settings just right, go ahead and click Save. Before you walk away, make sure you also toggle the snippet's status to active. It's a common pitfall to forget this last step, so double-check it and your code should be live on your website. And that's it, you've just added custom JavaScript to your WordPress site, the easy and update-safe way, no code disasters, no stress about theme updates. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into issues, just drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.